Inaantay ko sila Jewel. Alam ko bumili sila eh. Yan si... Uy! You buy it! Wow! Ha? Wow!
Ang dami!
Ang dami naman chocolate niya!
Amazing!
Ang big bag niya.
Ang dami!
Oh, thank you, Mommy. Let's go.
Punta tayo dito sa may beach. May time pa tayo.
Wow, patingin niya, Jewel, patingin. Oh, explain mo muna.
This is so...
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Wow!
Saan tayo punta? Sa ano tayo? Sa Chocolate Factory. Jewel, yung anak mo, please. Okay. Ito. Dito tayo pupunta. Here. Home of the chocolate. Home of the chocolate tayo pupunta. Mami, saan? Home of the chocolate?
How do you bring me a hot? Hat.
Home of the chocolate. Ayan si Jewel, oh. Dati di pa namin ito nasasama eh. Ngayon, oh, tingnan mo naman, oh. Siya lang yung una sa pagpasyal, oh. Habibe. Ayan, oh, ganda ng mga flowers, oh. Jewel, come here first. Ayan, oh. Malapit na kami sa home of the chocolate.
Hi, spell that.
Hi guys. Pupunta kami sa home of the chocolate. Lens. Ayan o. Oh, be careful. Sa London.
Sa London din. Mainit.
Are you sure?
Sa London.
Go guys. Be careful too. Ayan na. Dito na ba yun? It's here na ba? Oh, dito tayo. Go, go! Ayan. Home of the chocolate. Here we go. Makabili si Jewel ng ano. Ay, ayan na. Malapit na kami sa ano, sa home of chocolate, Lind. Dito pala gawa yun. Ay si Jewel, oh, malaki na. Yan, masarap, pwede na ipasyal sama sa paso. Be careful.
No, like, so we can't
Oh, ito na oh. Oh,
We
ayan
are
na.
going back to London, but we're going to Pajan first.
Yes.
Because today
Ito siya, oh, chocolate nga yung ano, kulay.
tomorrow I need swimming lesson. Tomorrow.
Ito yung ano, Lind, home of the chocolate. Yan. Bali, papasok kami rito. Tingnan namin kung makakabili kami. Bili tayo sa loob. Okay? Balikan namin kayo, ah. Ewan ko nakikita nyo. Eh, lumabasa nyo ba yan? Di ba yun ba? Oh, vlog daw siya.
Hello! It's a nice day today. It's not raining. So,
Let's go inside the factory.
ganda dito sa kitchen tayo. We're actually in the kitchen, guys.
Tingin ka rito sa... Ha? Ayan o.
Hi! I got yeah!
Kita yun o.
Ano mo kaya lagi? Patayo ka.
Patay.
Picture muna tayo dito. Tapos dala-dalawa. Joel!
Ayan o. Dito na kami sa home factory ng chocolate. Ng Lind. That one, if you see like that. Very nice. Yeah? Pupunta kami dyan, papasok kami dyan ngayon. Let's see.
No touching there. No touching there.
Papasok na kami sa loob. Oo.
I miss no?
Go, Joel. Ano ba yan? Wow. Welcome. Oh, chocolate yun eh. What's this? This is chocolate. That's chocolate, Joel. You want some chocolate? This is chocolate.
Joel, ako na yung maleta mo.
Ayan guys, chocolate oh. Gusto mo chocolate, be? Ayan, laki no. It's a big one. It's chocolate. It's chocolate, yeah? Chocolateria lunch. Oo. Dito lang kami sa ano, sa shop. Bibili na lang kami. Malaki pala to.
Chocolate there, oh.
Ha?
Chocolate. I did it 1, 2, 3.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, take it. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, makmili na kayo dyan. Yeah. But later, yeah?
Joel, mag-ano na sa'yo?
Pumili na kayo. Oo.
Dito, Joel, dito ka picture dito. Riyan ka? Dito lang.
Pumili na.
Video tapos picture.
Wow. Oh man.
Where do I put this?
Oh.
Can I try this one?
There's a lot. Jewel. There's a lot of chocolate here. Look.
I want to.
Wait, Mommy gonna buy it later, yeah? Dito ka muna, hawakan mo muna yung chocolate. Oh. Hi guys, ang daming chocolate sabihin mo.
Guys, got me a chocolate. I eat one.
Ayun, ito.
From the lady.
Yeah, this is a chocolate home of chocolate. Oh, my green. Go.
Green, blue,
Yes.
dark blue, violet,
O, doon pa.
gold.
Gold. Also. Go pa. Saan pa? Oh.
Blue also.
Ito, daming chocolate. Oh, 4 kilo.
Dammy red.
The red, no?
Red again.
Red again.
Blue.
Blue. Oh, yes, a lot of ito.
Gold.
Yes.
Gold. White. Red. More red.
More pa dito. Oh, dito pa dito. Eh. Oh.
This is the
Smiley.
This is smiley with heart eyes.
Oh, lumpa, ikot pa. Ikot.
And this is the chocolate spoon.
Chocolate spoon.
Yeah.
Chocolate
I
spoon.
didn't know that's a chocolate spoon.
Andito pa lahat ng chocolate.
And this is chocolate with
How much?
lemon with wine, lemonade wine.
Okay. O, saan pa? O, this one? Lo, punta ka doon, oh. Doon ka punta, oh. Doon. Look at that. Sa box, yun. Yun. Doon, oh, marami doon. Go.
Wow, look at this. There is some gold and silver and black
Okay,
also.
bang,
And
bang.
then this,
Jewel.
maybe the rainbow one.
Yeah.
This is the rainbow one.
The rainbow one. Okay.
This, it has flowers in it. I don't know wonder it's inside. This will have ribbon.
Uh-huh.
And also this
What's box?
maybe this box is a present. Maybe you should open it at home
Uh-huh.
if you bring it.
Uh-huh. Saan pa? Doon pa. Dito. Dito, come on. O, dito pa, oh. Yeah, of course. What is
This is a hard chocolate.
hard chocolate?
You can taste it if you like in your home, but
Yeah, you need to
if
pay.
you allowed it, if you not allowed it, then you shouldn't take it.
Yes. Oh, more. What's this?
This is
Caramel.
This is caramel
Gold
with
chocolate. Caramel chocolate. No, milk caramel. Look.
and this is a different one.
Yeah, I know.
It got gold bag
Okay.
and
What else? O, doon pa.
I want to explain it.
Okay.
This is the gold and brown one, and then
This is the
this is the red.
box one. One box.
This is one box.
This is the bar.
Yeah, bar. And
How much is that? 250.
no,
180 years na. 180 years.
No, 80.
Oh, doon tayo sa kabila. Sa kabila.
Okay.
Doon. O, saan pa? What's that?
And this is lemon behind and the chocolate and some green lemon.
O, sabihin mo ata doon tayo sa kabila. Yun tayo sa unahan. Sabihin mo kay mami, mag-buy na ng chocolate, ha? O, ito muna. Explain mo muna this one.
Okay. Okay, this is
The mix chocolate. Swiss premium mix.
yeah,
Mix,
this is a big blue bag with some words and pictures on this.
Okay.
See? It's kind of like a
O,
dragon.
doon tayo sa kabila.
Okay?
O, dito. Kaliwa. Dito.
This
New.
is you.
New arrival chocolate. O, doon tayo.
Okay.
O, doon tayo. Doon. Look at this. Heart.
Are you ready to
Already.
that?
Oh,
Are you
finish.
ready? Well, I haven't explained you this yet.
Yeah, okay.
This is chocolate cake.
Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate
this is
cake.
chocolate cake, huh?
And it got it got some writings on it.
Uh-huh. This one. Give it to me. Okay. Come on, Jewel. Jewel, let's go na. Oh, sige. Si Mami naman. Mami gonna buy.
Okay.
Let's wait it. Si Mami's gonna wait. Go, dito lang kami. Okay? Go with Mom. Finish that one, okay? Wait. Go. Sarap? Oh, yan. Oh, eat.
Can I eat?
Yes.
Mm.
Oh, grabe naman sila. Oh, sige, go. Sarap? Bumili pa si Mami ng another chocolate, yeah? Plenty of chocolate for you. Hi guys, ayan si Jewel, tuwang-tuwa sa chocolate niya. Gusto mo manghingi ka muna doon ng one more pack? Ano doon, one more? Yeah. Okay na. Stay there, yeah? Inaantay ko sila Jewel. Alam ko, bumili sila eh. Ayan si... Uy! You buy it! Wow! Ha? Wow!
Ang dami!
Ang dami naman chocolate niya! Ah, hindi ka bag niya.
Ang dami!
Oh, thank you, Mommy. Let's go.
Punta tayo dun para may video. May time pa tayo.
Wow, patingin nga, Juliet, patingin. Oh, explain mo muna.
This is so
Different kind, mixed
This
chocolate.
is different kinds. Different kind of chocolate. Some is the same, gold and gold.
Okay, putin yan na. Let's go na. Oh, magbabay na kayo dito. Okay, see you. Bye-bye,
Bye
guys.
bye. Let's go back to London.
Let's go back to London. Hi guys, thank you so much for everything. Babalik na kami sa London. So, napasyalan na namin yung isa sa ano, home of the chocolate. Like this, oh. Laki, no?
Amazing.
Like that. Diba? Laki. Bye-bye.